Hey, this is the preview of all controls that you can use on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So we can find touch controls, voice controls, and head controls. So when we talk about the touch controls, it works the same for the left and the right one. And all you have to do is just to use this touch sensor that is available on the both earbuds. So to play and pause, you have to pinch one time. If you want to volume up or volume down, for volume up, you will have to swipe up. For volume down, you will have to swipe down. If you want to play next song, you will have to pinch 2 times quickly. For previous, 3 times. If you want to answer a call or end call, you will have to also pinch 1 time when there is the incoming phone call, like that. If you want to decline, you will have to pinch and hold. And now we can also switch the noise controls, so we can switch between the transparency mode and the noise cancellation. How we can do this? Also on the left or the right earbud, you will have to click and hold to turn it off, turn on transparency mode, and turn on noise cancellation. Currently it's not working because you have to input both of them inside your ears. And now if I'm gonna do this, take a look, we'll activate the noise cancellation. You can also wake the voice assistant, but you have to make one change by going to the earbud controls. Instead of the left or the right one, you have to select the digital assistant. So it will actually allows us to pinch and hold to wake Gemini, for example, in my case. Now, when we go for the voice controls, as you can see over here, we can find also this basic control like play music, stop music, next song, previous song, volume up, volume down, answer a call, reject call. And for the head gestures, what we can do, we can accept or decline the phone call, or when you are using Bixby, you can say yes or no to some questions and to end conversation, for example. And this is all controls that you can use on this device.